Welcome to the English Expressions lesson series from Daily English Vocabulary. Today's expression is, hit the nail on the head. It is an idiom. Hit the nail on the head means to say or do exactly the right thing or identify the exact cause of a problem. We can use this when someone gives the correct answer, someone identifies the real problem, someone explains something perfectly. Examples: you hit the nail on the head with your explanation. She hit the nail on the head when she identified the main issue. I think you've hit the nail on the head about why the project failed. Now it's your turn. Can you use today's expression in a sentence? Write it in the comments below. Please subscribe and join with us for more lessons.